Hey guys, welcome back. In this Linux Basics module, we are going to cover. In this video, we are going to cover Linux commands, some very basic commands that we need to, get familiar with Linux. So let's start. Uh, so here are some Linux command. ls is for list the contents of a directory. pwd stands for print working directory. cd for change directory. cp is the copy command. mv is move command, same as cut in Windows. rm is to remove. mkdir to make a directory, same as we create a new directory in new folder in Windows. Man for manual. Touch to create empty files. And cat for cat to read files. Okay, so let's go to our VMware Kali machine, and let's open the terminal and let's try these commands. Okay, so I'm gonna go to desktop. Okay, actually, let's start with ls commands. It allows you to list the contents of a directory you want to include in the nested directory. So if I say here ls, it's gonna list the folders or files in the current directory that we are in. But if I say here list me the desktop contents, okay, it's gonna list the desktop contents. Okay, here it is file docker and this one shell.php. All right, so the next command is pwd, which stands for print working directory, and it outputs the absolute path of the directory you're in. So if I here press, so we are in currently in a root directory. So cd is change directory, as the name suggests. We can switch the directory, like when we double click a folder on Windows, it changes the directory. So it's the same as cd. Okay, so I'm gonna say cd here. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit and say cd to my desktop. Okay, press tab to auto complete. Okay, just press tab and hit okay, and now ls, and there are two files. We change the directory to desktop. You can see here the directory, current directory is visible. If you want to go a directory back, like backspace in terminal, you just type cd and dot dot, and you will go a directory back as we were previously. And if you want to go directly to the home file, you just press cd and you are there. So okay, let me show you desktop. And you, if you go want to go directly to the home file, just press cd and enter. You will come directly to the basic home file root directory, that is for this root. Okay, so the next command is cp. So let's let's first go to the desktop and let's cp, let me make directory stands, mkdir stands for make directory. You can use this to create a directory. So if I say here test, you can see there is a folder called test and it is empty. So I'm gonna go in test, change directory to test. It's easy, I hope so. And I'm gonna use touch command. We use touch, okay, let's see, to create new empty files, like new, create new document or create new notepad. As we go in Windows and right click and just new notepad, it is the same. Okay, so if I say a test.txt, you can see the file created here in the real time. Okay, so let's see here, let me go, let me make this a little bit smaller. You can see the file created. Yep, I just press enter here and the text file is created here. So, I'm gonna do is copy this text file to the desktop. Okay, so if you use copy command cp t press tab for to complete and just a directory back here. Okay, what I'm saying in this command is copy the text file, which is the file and the destination to which you want to copy. Okay, if I press enter here, the text .txt is copied here. All right, I hope it's easy, clear. Now, if you want to remove the directory, remove the file that we just copied, so I'm gonna go say rm to remove and just go a directory back, absolute path, and you, you just say test.txt, and you can see here in real time it gets removed. Okay, be careful with this remove command. Okay, I mean you can't recover. In many cases, you can't recover the file just deleted. It's not like Windows, you can undo or get it from the recycle bin. In this case, it's not like that. Okay, once you remove, it's hard to recover. So be careful with that. And the next command is mp command. Okay, so stands for move, or you say cut in Windows. Okay, cut and paste. So if I say here move a text test file to desktop. Okay, you can see here it gets the file from here, gets to the desktop. I'm saying here as we are in the test directory, so one directory back is desktop. So if I press enter here, you can see the test file is came here on the desktop. Okay, and if we use move to rename the file too. Okay, if I say here test.txt, wow, oh, there is a folder to test.txt. Okay, okay, let's see. Let's move our file. I don't know what is happening. Test.txt, and if you want to rename this, let's say test1.txt, you can see it renamed in the desktop. Okay, test not present. Okay, I think there is a typo here, so let me see. Let me paste it here again. Oh, let me show you the mistake here again. I am in the test directory currently, not on the desktop. So if I go here, and there it is. The file is here. I just forgot that I just moved the file from test folder to the desktop. Okay, so let's see. If I now try to rename test.txt to, let's see, test1.txt, and it's renamed. Okay, you can use mv command to rename, and let's move to test.txt, test1.txt, to again test folder. I just test and then specify slash, and it's moved again. Okay, you can see here from the desktop to the test folder. So the next command is manual command, stands man for manual. So this command, it displays the manual page for any other command. Like if I say here give me manual page for make directory, it will display the manual page and several options. We will discuss it further. You can see the whole manual page here. Yep, you can also see the version. So let me show, these are the arguments. Okay, if I say here make the dash dash version, it will say it's 8.32 and 2020 open source. Like it's giving us information, right? So we just use argument, just we just pass the argument to the make directory command, and it gave this output to us. Okay, And I hope these are the very basic commands, okay, in Linux. I mean, you can start practicing here, you can take notes. I hope, and I'm gonna link this PowerPoint presentation in the resources section. And in the next video, I'm going to cover directory permissions in Linux, okay, in Octal form. Octal is the easiest one. I hope you understand. Let me show you the permissions how it's done. If I say ls-la, we are gonna use this many times, and these are the permissions. Okay, you can research them before I make a video upon it. Okay, so I hope that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Stay safe.